friends, today we're going to be doing a Matt Ox type of beat. Now his beats are known to be pretty energetic, they're really fast, and the sound selection, it's really wavy, almost trippy. Before we get started, I'm going to plug my new loop pack that I just made. It's got sounds inspired by 88 Glam, Lil Tracy, and Blade. I'll leave a link for that where you can go get it. Now we're going to start off with something different today, and we'll do the drums first. Now you gotta make sure it hits really hard. 808. Pick something that's gonna be really distorted. And it's kind of crazy, so you can see I've got quite a few rolls in there as well. Snare and a clap. I've got the clap more prominent. Backup snare for the bounce. I pitched this one down. I just like how that sounds. And as usual, I got my two perks. Hi-hats. Now this time it's going a little bit overboard. You can check all the rolls I did. Then for the open, I give it a nice little pattern just to add to the bounce. Now for the first pad, the chords are played in D flat major. And then I've stacked that. And they're both very ambient sounding. The main lead is very weird sounding. And it's not much, just a few notes playing. Now this is for backup. It's just a weird noise I wanted to put in. Now for the verse, I've added a new lead for it, and this is what it sounds like. See, very wavy. And I've also added some splits here, so when you listen to it, it cuts off and then returns again, just to give it a little extra spice. And then a bell just for the ending, just so it doesn't get too repetitive. And this plays as an ARP from the chords. I've kept the drums exactly the same as well, so this is what it sounds like all together. Well, I hoped you enjoyed today's breakdown. Remember, keep it simple, and it's mostly about the sound selection for this one. Until next time, take care!